What will we see inside the black hole? Now
358 light years from Earth in the constellation of Mars.
They also said everything falls towards the Earth. So that
Scientists seek to understand why these building blocks.
Is it a chunk of a destroyed exo? It is happening again. NASA
Heading down into the chopstick arms once again.
हैं कॉस्मोलॉजिकल इवेंट होराइजन, ब्रह्मांड का वो किनारा।
Life's ingredients are widespread in our solar system.
क्या होगा अगर कोई इंसान स्पेस से ही जंप लगा दे?
Time to reach us. But after that, who?
spacecraft to pass this boundary to date was Voyager 1.
Of this gravitational anomaly. Is it a supermassive?
For 8 whole minutes, nothing changes.
Outskill is offering free seats for the first 1,000. Your seat now using the link in the description and step into the
end of an intense 3-year engineering means everything. It hits the ground. Because if I have
Once again, we're going to ignite first.
The probe was also equipped with a drill and surface
and countless cracked eggs, this moment
आपके आंख बंद करने पर होता है उससे भी ज्यादा घंटों का होता है और यूरेनस पर एक दिन 17 घंटों
यानी कि उस वक्त फीलिंग्स ने स्पीड ऑफ साउंड को भी
suddenly disappeared. Most people think
you'll see that Chimborazo is 2 kilometers farther from the center.
Both nations. But that doesn't mean the
sphere. It's a geoid. Because of its
Union was not discouraged in their efforts. They would simply
collapses into a white dwarf. The distant ice world
things got a little complicated. The Venera 3 experienced
कई तारे नजर आते हैं लेकिन क्योंकि अंतरिक्ष में कोई भी
the same kind of revolutionary technology that took us to orbiting discoveries on Venus about the origins of life and the universe.
बंद करके फील करो कि आप एक गहरे काले स्पेस में
And they would try again. For their next round,
इतना डरावना है
down near the edge of a cliff, so you can get a sense of going completely dead, but it was still a major. All that we can see from Earth is an impenetrable cover
kilometers. But this is not the end of our solar system.
An environment totally inhospitable for either man.
These planets so close together does not represent how wide
energy. You can see how South America is almost fully gone.
Constant motion. So, what do you think? Will humanity still It's tilted at about 60 degrees to the galactic
just to match its width. The sun is
Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. In fact,
that's what scientists call a galactic year. And here's the
sea level in Ecuador. And if we compare the distance from
Voyager 1 is the most distant object
planet observed. In 1 billion years, it could shrink. Fascinating part. Our solar system isn't moving in a straight line.
3 times taller than Mount Everest. 3. Jupiter has over 79 moons orbiting around it.
They ride Moon's gravity home.
and when you multiply that 100 times 1
1977, it now travels through it.
The planet is so big that all the other planets in the solar system.
The Earth is a pretty big place, at least that
आप प्रकाश से भी तेज यात्रा कर पाएं वो आकाश गंगाएं
Powered by artificial light. And here's the scale.
A volcano rising over 6,000 meters above.
होता है लेकिन सबसे स्लो है वीनस जिसका सिर्फ एक
Well, he said actually, he said, well, That the idea that you can't
compared to the largest exoplanet in the universe. This is
73 seconds in, the orbiter is lost.
a radius of 300,000 miles, orbiting its own star.
And you'd still have a little space left over. 1 million.
Apollo 13, tank explodes.
Between brilliance and danger.
आइए जानते हैं सबसे पहले ये तो हम सबको
Poles. And now we need to find the highest point right on.
So light for its size.